Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hi everyone, my name is Vika.
My name is Kiara.
My name is Shalika.
So today we're gonna present about input and output devices.
Input devices are used to enter data into a computer. The processor processes the data given by the input devices. Two different categories of input devices are manual input devices, direct data entry devices. And here's are the explanation of input devices. There are manual input devices and direct data entry.
Pointing devices. A mouse is a pointing device that is used with the geographical user interface. You can move it by moving your mouse on a flat surface and click anything on the monitor. Advantages of a mouse. They provided a fast method of input. They are intuitive to use because they simply involve pointing things. Disadvantage of mouse. Mouse can be easily damaged or vandalized. A mouse needs a flat surface to move. Keyboards. Keyboard is an input device that is used to interface value, often characters, into the computer system. There are many different types of keyboard. There is QWERTY keyboard, is the most common type of keyboard and is used to type letters, numbers, and punctuation into computers. It gets its name from the arrangement of letters. On the top line of keys, QWERTY, other types include AZERTY, QWERTY, and Dvorak.
Next, we have touchpad, a pointing device often found on a laptop that allows the users to use their finger to move the pointer on the screen. Next, tracker balls. Tracker balls are similar to the mice mouse, and mechanical mice are turned upside down so that the mouse remains stationary and the user moves the ball. Driving wheel. Driving wheel, also called a racing wheel, used as an input device in racing games as simulation where user control vehicles. And this is the advantages and disadvantages.
Joystick. A joystick can carry out the same task as a mouse as well as other functions, controlling the movement of a motorized wheelchair. Remote control. Remote control is a small handheld device that can be used to operate equipment such as TV or stereo. Remote control are used to control home entertainment system, satellite box, lighting, and shutters. Advantages of remote control and disadvantages of remote control. For the advantages, there are save time, and the disadvantages can be easily lost because it is small and portable.
Scanners. Scanners are used to convert text, diagrams, and images into the digital data, so they could be manipulated by the computer, a device that digitizes text and diagrams and images. Camera. Digital camera produces digital images that can be stored in computer and displayed on a screen. Video camera is a camera to record moving pictures that are stored electronically. Touchscreen, a display screen that is both on input and output devices and that can respond to user interacting with a specific area. Advantages, space saving as input and output devices are the same. Disadvantage, not suitable for inputting large amounts of data.
And here's our explanation for outputs.
Output device is any information, data, or product that is produced, perceived, and sent out by a computer, machine, or person. Two different categories of output devices is soft copy output devices and hard copy output devices. And list of the output devices, we have
Monitor touchscreens. Monitor a screen that displays image, videos, and information from a computer. It is usually controlled using a mouse and keyboards. Touchscreen, a screen that can be touched to control the devices such as tapping, swiping, or pressing. Multimedia projectors, device that can project an image from a computer into a large surface as is necessary, often used in presentations. And printers, plotters. Printers is an output device that produces text, image, and documents from a computer into paper. It is commonly used at home, schools, or office. Plotters is an output device that produce large and highly detailed drawings, designs, and graphics. It is commonly used for maps, engineering drawings, and architectural plans.
Type of printers. There's laser printers. Laser printers is a printer that works by using a laser to draw the required output onto a drum and uses a toner to print out the output onto the paper. And there is an inkjet printer, a printer that works by squirting ink at the page out of different nozzles for different colored ink. And third, dot matrix printers, a printers that use a set of pins to press on ink ribbon against the paper, creating the output out of dots. Disadvantage of printers. Disadvantage of laser printers, the reproduction of color is not always precise as it is with an inkjet primer. Disadvantage of inkjet printers. They often use water-soluble ink, so if the printouts get wet and the ink will run. Advantage of dot matrix printers. They can be used in messy and dirty environments. Disadvantage. There are very limited color capabilities. 3D printers. Definition. A 3D printer is an output device that creates three-dimensional objects from a digital design. It builds the object layer by layer using materials such as plastic or slate. Advantages. It can create detailed and customized 3D objects from digital designs. Disadvantages. It can be expensive and may take a long time to print an object.
Next, we have speaker. Speaker is a device to enable you to hear sound or music on your computer system. And the advantages and disadvantages. Headphone, earphone, and TWS. Headphone, a device worn over the ears that produces sound from a computer, phone, or other device. Smartphone, small audio devices that are placed inside or near the ears to listen to the sound. TWS or True Wireless Stereo is a wireless earphones that have no cable connecting the two earbuds and connecting to a device using Bluetooth. And the last one is actuators. An actuators is a device that converts electrical signal into physical movement. It is used to make machines or systems move, such as opening a valve, moving a robotic arm, or controlling a motor. The example is a washing machine. An actuator can control the water valve to open and close, allowing water to enter the machine. And that's it for our presentation. Thank you.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.